Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is January the 12th, 2020. We've got an exciting day because of the new weekly candle. I just want to take a quick glance at those on some of the majors, but not every coin, just to kind of see how things are shaping up. So BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase, we're at $8,145 currently, and it's a stay in it situation. It's looking good. Let's jump over to the weekly and take a look at that. Okay, weekly chart. We did finish up this week, and it looks great overall. We had a huge bullish move, and we had a pullback here. If you look at the weekly chart, I say this looks very, very bullish. I love this. Now, we're probably going to have 2 or 3 more weeks, probably 2, maybe 3 weeks before we actually finish what was started here. So the way I look at the weekly chart is it's possible that we're going to trade into this like kind of triangle area between the 9-day moving average and the 20, right? Maybe kind of fill that out before breakout, hopefully to the upside. So remember, we got a lot of resistance here at the bottom of the Kumo cloud right there, where we did get rejection already, but I'm looking for it to punch through and actually go into the Kumo cloud. Those have been my targets for a long time, and hopefully we'll see that come through. But remember, we like trading the weekly as far as like get a perspective on how things are shaping up. But I don't want to trade the weekly chart. I trade the daily. Now remember this big monster candle that came in right here, right? Huge. We put in a new low right there and came up really high. Well, things looked real good on that day also, and even though we got a red candle or red weekly day here, it still looked very positive. It was above the 9. However, it just kept sinking, going lower and lower. So we have to keep an eye on things, on how this progresses, because rejection of the 20 weekly moving average is not good. The good news that I have, though, on this is if I hide indicators, is that we are now starting to get lift from the parabolic SAR. We were coming down here before and smashed it to the upside, and now we're getting lift on the weekly. I like looking at this for the weekly chart because it starts to get me hopeful that we could somehow make our way maybe in the 10K ranges. Now, this is the first time, if you've been following me, the first time that I've ever said we could go into the 10K ranges. So I'm saying for the first time ever, it is now a possibility because of this SAR. Just kind of the way I trade and the way I look at things, I think we could get into those upper ranges here of around the 10,000. This whole range right here looks good to me. Okay, so that being said, let's get back to the daily on Bitcoin. And yeah, it's looking great. I do like that. We're getting a pause in the market right now. It's trading sideways, and that's okay. I mean, you have these big initial impulse moves, and then you need to like let other indicators start to play catch up, and that's fine. But it's what happens after that that's critical. So you'll need to watch it. Hopefully, it won't grind out too far, too long, and then we can get a move to the upside. That'd be really good. Okay, let's move our attention over to LTC BTC. And real quick, I thought I would do this for today. Settings. We're going to go into appearance and add the watermark. So hopefully you can see that if you didn't quite catch what I'm talking about, you can see it clearly. Okay, so that being said, here's the watermark just to help you out. LTC BTC. Oh, looking good. Stay in it. since our new candle on the daily, we are getting a little bit of pullback. That's okay, not too bad. But we are inside the Kumo cloud and really doing well above that 50-day moving average. So I like this. I like this a lot. LTC, BTC, let's jump into the weekly. There it is. There it is right there. We're battling right now to try to gain relevance above the 9. Hopefully we can get a full open and close above the 9 on this candle. And if we do, we could really start making our way towards the upside. But as I look at this chart, we have major overhead resistance right here. And we still got to battle that 20-day moving average. So we've got a long uphill slog for LTC BTC on the weekly chart. But I believe that we could do it if the market wants to. I like the levels of volume right now. They look really good on the weekly chart for this. And going back to the daily, I'm going to say just stay in it. It looks really good. I like it. LTC USD is at $50.63. We are getting a little bit of a pullback right now, but today was a great day. We did poke our head above the Kumo cloud, and now it's getting some rejection by that. We need to keep an eye on that. We are still getting lift from the SAR and are above the 20-day. I like that. RSI levels look great. Hopefully this is just a quick little pullback before pushing higher. And let's pull this in. I think we could actually get up higher here to like 56 before rejection. So that being said, let's look at the weekly for Litecoin USD. And wow, okay, so the weekly looks great. It did give us a monster candle to the upside, and I believe we could probably get up to this 20-week moving average right here at 54, be 53.99. That's one of our targets, and things look pretty good there. It's possible we get up here and then get rejection. It's not the end of the world. Look, we're still in it, and we're still going to make even more gains than we have now. But, yeah, let's move this out of here. Let's get this one. Let's kind of clear up the chart. Everybody knows we made our target too. So I'm just going to remove that out of the way. There you go. Okay. So, yeah. I like Litecoin right now for the daily, but for the weekly chart, I'm still totally like on the fence kind of. Yeah. Okay, let's get back in here. Oh, that's the hour chart. No wonder. I was like, hey, that looks crazy. Okay, we need to get above this Kumo cloud, but otherwise things look great. Litecoin, stay in it. ETH, BTC, stay out of it. ETH, USD. Okay, so we're going to stay in ETH, USD, looking good. Volume's coming in. RSI levels look good. Everything looks great. Let's jump over to the weekly. And weekly chart has been, remember, it's been kind of a slow grind for that, but it's still not a buy on the weekly. Parabolic SAR is inbound, and we could trigger it to go to the upside, which could be really fantastic, maybe pushing us to like the $210 levels. But we did hit target 2. I mean, this happened right here, right? So target 2 did happen, and we can't discredit that. When we were down here at like 117, 118, 120, 145 looked like a long way to go, and we've already taken that over. So hopefully we can get another leg or push higher to maybe even, yeah, I'm hoping the 172 range for Ethereum, but we'll see. All right, let's move into the daily and check out Ethereum USD, stay in it. XTZ, Tezos. Stay out of it. XTZ USD. We're still in it. Barely. Like, we're just hanging on by our fingernails here. If we get some major rejection here, we'll probably just bail on this thing. But so far, we're just going to stay in. I was going to say, give it one more day, and now we're giving it yet another day. And we'll see what happens. We are getting lift here by the SAR, which is good. And hopefully that will start producing here further on into the future. RSI is mediocre, but we'll see what happens. Stay in it. Bitcoin Cash, BTC. I like it. I like it a lot. We had a good day today. This is really great. Stay in it. Bitcoin Cash, USD, $266 currently, and a stay-in-it situation for sure. We did hit target number one, our T1. The number one target up here, though, at 288, we haven't hit yet. So stay in it. Ethereum Classic BTC. Hold on one second. Drinking some tea. Very good. Ethereum Classic BTC. I like it. Stay in it. Ethereum Classic USD. Getting a little bit of pullback like the BTC price, but Ethereum Classic BTC. It's getting a little pullback here. We got a little bit of pullback in volume, but it's not enough to say, hey, let's get out of it. I'm saying let's stay in it and see where it goes. Yeah, I like it. Stay in it. XRP BTC. Stay out of that. XRP USD is at 21 cents. We're still in an uptrend. I like this. Stay in it. EOS BTC. Stay in it. Oh, look at that. We hit target. Oh, yeah. Okay, so maybe we want to take profit. You might, yeah. If you saw this and you were trading it during the day, that would have been a great area to take profit in and just wait for reaction in the market. Now, because I trade the daily chart and I'm kind of non-biased about this, I don't really care up or down. I have to go with the trend. The trend is up, so I'm going to stay in it. But if I was trading this, like, and my life savings depended on it, I would have really taken a look at that 786 and did a scalp right there. But looking good. I mean, it's possible we could pull back down to the 9 and you could pick it up there. But the way the structure is, I'm not recommending a scalp just for my audience. Okay, stay in it. EOS USD is at $3.14. I like this. Yeah, stay in it. Stellar Lumens. XLM, Stellar Lumens. Stay out of it. It's just not there yet. XLM USD is at 4.8 cents and is still a buy. We had a decent day today. Stay in it. Rep BTC. Stay out of it. Rep USD. Wow. Okay, we're going to stay in this. I like this. This is a good day. We're battling right now for the 50-day moving average, and hopefully we can get it. I'd love to see us kind of get up here, even the 988 ranges, and that's really possible. And then from there, we could start kind of grinding our way through this Kumo cloud. Rep USD, stay in it. 0x BTC. We got it. Oh, we had a great day today. Look at that. Now, interesting. I like what's happening here on the 200-day moving average. It's starting to switch, like it wants to curl up. I like that, and I just like it. Let's do it. Let's get in that. Very cool. 0x BTC is performing. Good job. We're going to get in that, and this one we're going to lock it down. All right. 0x USD is still stay in it situation. I like this. We're going to stay in it. ZEC BTC, stay in it. It's going good. Going really good. ZEC USDC, stay in it. Looking great. We've been coming in since the golden cross. We didn't get shaken out, and now we're running higher. We're just having a little pullback here, maybe even as low as the 9-day moving average. Possible, but and then we could bounce again. Algo USD is it's battling. It's battling hard. I'm going to give it one more day. I really am. Yeah, I'm going to give it one more day. We still have this parabolic SAR coming down here. I want to have it open and close above the 9, and then it will probably be something to get into. Link USD. Stay out of it. Oh, I'm sorry. No, Link USD, stay in it. It's looking good. I'm sorry. Yeah, we have some fib numbers that we should be able to reach a little bit higher, in my opinion. So, yeah, I would say about 275 would be possible, or even 250 could be possible in this area. Link USD, stay in it. I mean, we're getting a little pullback today, but it's not bad. Okay, BAT, basic attention token. Stay in it. Looking good. GNT, USDC. Soon. Let's see how this candle finishes, but it's possible that we can get in this. Okay, Mana, USDC. Trying to get some lift here, and hopefully it can hold, but otherwise I'm staying out. We're above the Kumo cloud. We're above the Kumo cloud, but it's possible this thing comes down and starts to fool around with this lucid SAR. So, stay out of it. Loom, USDC. Oh, this is close. This is really close. It's like right on the edge. Look at this monster day that we had today in Loom. And then a pullback. It's closed above the 9. Very good. Okay. I think we gotta give it one more day. Because we're getting some diminishing volume. But it is so close. I'm going to give it one more day. We'll see what happens. Civic, USDC. Looking good. Oh, this is what we were looking for Civic. I like it. Let's get in it. Yeah, that was a clearly dominating candle that came in. What I'm going to do is lock this down and say, you know what I'm going to tell you. Let's buy it on the 9. Right. This was a great candle. If it wicks down and then comes up, you're going to want to be in this. Civic is now a buy. Nice. Okay, DNT, our last one of the day, is battling, but it's not there yet. I'm going to say stay out of it. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me at a look at the daily and weekly charts. I just kind of had to slow down and really take a look at it. This is Bitcoin. I'm going to leave you with that. BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase. Things are looking good. They're on the uptick. We might get a pullback and a test of the 9, but like I've said before, I'm anticipating that touch at the 9 and then a bounce. So hopefully that'll come in sooner rather than later. We'll see you. God bless you guys. We'll see you in the group, and good luck on your trading. I'm out.